We completed, mashallah, the exercise 1. Now we will go on the exercise number 2. The exercise number 2 is Iqra waktub ma'adabti awakhir al-kalima. Read and write along with the correct endings of the words. Why he is asking to maintain the last letters haraka? Why? Because the effect of the preposition will come on the last letters. So he is asking to read and express the last letters haraka. Start.
Al-Madrasatu. The school. Al-Madrasati. In the school. Al-Bayti. In the house. Al-Baytu. The house. Al-Ghurfatu. The room. Al-Hammami.
Al-Hammamu. Because the noun is without any preposition. So it will remain on its main initial form. Yes. Very fine.
In the kitchen.
Yes.
Al-Maktab. The table.
Yes.
Al-Maktabi. On the table.
Yes.
Al-Kursi.
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 Expressed in the last letters haraka.
Al-Kursi. On the chair. As-Sariru. The bed. Al-Kitabi. On the book.
Yes.
Fil masjid. In the masjid.
The exercise number 3 is Iqra waktub. Read and write. Here he mentioned the preposition, and he also did not give any haraka. It is our responsibility, it is our side to complete and show the haraka. Okay?
Al-Talibu fil Jami'ati.
Yes.
The student is in the university.
Yeah. In this sentence, al-Jamia is affected with the preposition fi. Yes.
Al-Rajulu fil masjid. The man is in the masjid.
Fil masjid is affected with the haraka, huruf al-jar. We will say the preposition in Arabic, huruf al-jar. Jar ma'nahu, ma ma'na jar? Jar ma'nahu preposition. Ma huwa amal huruf al-jar fil kalima? Akhir kalima kasra. Taqdirul lafz, taqdiru akhiru harfin min al-kalima fi kasra. هذا مفهوم؟
مفهوم.
نعم.
أين التاجر؟ هو في الدكان.
ما شاء الله.
Here is the merchant. He is in the shop.
Okay.
القلم على المكتب. The pen is on the table.
ما شاء الله.
أين زينب؟ Where is Zainab?
نعم.
أين الورق؟ هو على المكتب. Where is the paper? It is on the table.
Now in the sentence number 5, Aina Zainabu. Your brother Akif read Aina Zainabu. Why is not Zainabun? He explained in the exercise number 2. He gave some male names and female names. The next page. On the next page. Yes. On the next page, he gave the male names and female names. The first name is Muhammadun. The opposite and parallel of Muhammad is Aminatu, Khalidun, Zainabu, Hamidun, Fatimatu. He gave the male name and female name, and we are observing here the male names will accept and will come with a two page. But female name will not accept the tanween. لا يمكن تنوين مع المؤنث وهذا ممكن مع مذكر. هذا مفهوم؟ هذا ليس غلط، هذا صحيح. هذا هنا أصول. Here is a rule. We have to implement with the rule. We have to come with this rule. Okay. Continue.
أين المدرس؟ أين المدرس؟ Where is the teacher? هو في الفصل. He is in the class.
أين ياسر؟
نعم.
He is Yasir. وفي المرحاض. He is in the washroom.
ما شاء الله.
الشمس والقمر في السماء. The sun and the moon are in the sky.
نعم.
من في الفصل. Who is in the class?
ما شاء الله يا إخوان، الحمد لله، شكرا لكم، وندعو الله الكريم أن يوفقكم ويوفقنا لتعليم اللغة العربية ولنشرها ولفهمها، وأن يتقبل الله تعالى هذا المعهد المبارك الذي يسعى لتعليم اللغة العربية في الهند وخاصة في حيدرباد. وأيضا الحمد لله we have offline and online classes also. We want to promote Arabic language. We want to give the Arabic language education to our youngers and our old man and our Muslim community. They can gain the Islamic knowledge and they can implement the Quran and Hadith in their life. نسأل الله تبارك وتعالى التوفيق والتقبيل. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.